Explore the Trip Reports page. The Trip Reports page allows you to analyze vehicle activity by summarizing trip data across your fleet. Use this page to review distance traveled, trip performance, stops, and curfew activity over a selected time period. Start by selecting Build New Report. Use the drop-down at the top of the page to choose which trip report you want to view. Options include trip summary, trip details, daily stops, and curfew reports, allowing you to focus on high-level metrics or detailed trip activity. The Group by filter lets you organize report data by driver, vehicle, or other available categories. This helps you quickly compare performance and identify trends across your fleet. Click here to set a date range for your report. Now click Run Report. Use the Save option to store your current report configuration. This allows you to quickly rerun frequently used reports without reapplying filters or settings. Select Download to export the report data for offline review, sharing, or additional analysis. You can either export the report as a CSV or a PDF. Use the Schedule feature to automatically generate and send reports at regular intervals, helping you stay updated on fleet activity without manual report creation. Press the Submit button to lock in scheduled reporting. You've completed your tour of the Trip Reports page. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our step-by-step guide.